Hi, my dear kids. How are you all? Okay. Last Friday's class we missed, right? So that class I am going to take today. Okay, ma. So first we finished the notes, right? We finished the sixth lesson's note. Sixth lesson or Solina? Yeah, sixth lesson notes that we didn't revise. Today first we will revise that one. Okay. Ma'am's health condition is little worst, so that only sound is like this. So please cooperate with me, okay, my dear kids. Okay, okay, ma. Now take your textbook, notebook. Okay, sorry. I'll take your notebook. Part 6 भगवान के टाकिए. First Roman letter अर्थ भगवान God भगवान God. टाकिए postman. डाकिए postman. Banjana to read out. Banjana to read out. Ankhna to assess. Ankhna to assess. Sauraf fragrance. Sauraf fragrance. Pangom wings. Pangom wings. Phap vapor. Phap vapor. Tirna to swim. Tirna to swim. Bhagavan God. Dakiye postman. Banjana to read out. Ankhna to assess. Sauraf fragrance. Pangom wings. Phap vapor. Tirna to swim. Okay, then second Roman letter प्रश्न और उत्तर. कवि ने पक्षी और बादल को भगवान के टाकिए क्यों बताया है? कवि ने पक्षी और बादल को भगवान के टाकिए क्यों बताया है? Why the poet is telling that the bird and the cloud is the postman of God? Why it is telling in this? कवि ने पक्षी और बादल को भगवान के टाकिए इसलिए कहा है क्योंकि जिस प्रकार डाकिए संदेश लाने का काम करते हैं उसी प्रकार पक्षी और बादल भगवान का संदेश हम तक पहुंचाते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? कवि ने पक्षी और बादल को भगवान के टाकिए इसलिए कहा है. वाई? बिकॉज क्योंकि जिस प्रकार हाउ डाकिए संदेश लाने का काम करते हैं. हाउ द पोस्टमैन इज डूइंग द वर्क ऑफ गिविंग द इंफॉर्मेशन, उसी प्रकार पक्षी और बादल भगवान का संदेश हम तक पहुंचाते हैं. लाइक दैट पक्षी बर्ड एंड क्लाउड इज collecting the information from God and they are also giving to us. So what the postman is doing for giving the information, like that this bird and the cloud also doing. कवि ने पक्षी और बादल को भगवान के दास किए इसलिए कहा है कि क्योंकि जिस प्रकार डाकिए संदेश लाने का काम करते हैं उसी प्रकार पक्षी और बादल भगवान का संदेश हम तक पहुंचाते हैं. ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन. पक्षी और बादल द्वारा लाई गई चिट्ठियों को कौन कौन पढ़ पाते हैं? हु कैन रीड द लेटर्स विच द बर्ड एंड द क्लाउड इज ब्रिंगिंग? हु कैन रीड? पक्षी और बादल द्वारा लाई गई चिट्ठियों को पेड़ पौधे ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स, पानी वाटर एंड ऑल्सो पहाड़ पढ़ पाते हैं. द माउंटेन्स आर रीडिंग. दे कैन रीड व्हाट द बर्ड्स एंड द क्लाउड इज ब्रिंगिंग द लेटर्स. पक्षी और बादल द्वारा लाई गई चिट्ठियों को पेड़ पौधे पानी और पहाड़ पढ़ पाते हैं. ओके माँ, because of not well only my sound is like this, please excuse me. Okay ma, I can't shout. Okay, then next we are going to take the next lesson, part 7. क्या निराश हुआ जाए? क्या निराश हुआ जाए? इट इज़ द हमारे समाज के वर्तमान स्थिति के बारे में, मीन्स द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी. How our society is there. By thinking that we have to feel pity on that, we have to feel sad. Why we are feeling sad on that? That is only something. It is like you are small kids. I don't know whether you can understand this one. I don't know this why they gave for this lesson for you. I don't know, because it is like that tough lesson. it is not needed for you, but they gave like some information, little information at least. If you can get, means let you get, like that they think, and they have given this lesson. Okay, okay, let's read the lesson. मेरा मन कभी कभी बैठ जाता है. समाचार पत्रों में डगी, टकैती, चोरी, तस्करी और भ्रष्टाचार के समाचार भरे रहते हैं. It is written by Hasari Prasad Dwivedi. The poet is telling that मेरा मन कभी कभी बैठ जाता है. Sometimes and all my mind is like upset. बैठ जाता है means my mind is very upset. How, why he is upset? समाचार पत्रों में डगी, टकैती, चोरी, तस्करी और भ्रष्टाचार के समाचार भरे रहते हैं. इन द न्यूज़पेपर, समाचार पत्रों, न्यूज़पेपर्स, डगी मीन्स चीटिंग, टकैती robbery, चोरी theft, तस्करी smuggling, and also भ्रष्टाचार corruption. So these news and all only is filled in the newspaper. We can see in our newspaper also, isn't it? He has stolen this one, he has cheated this one, he died because of this one, he killed this person, like that he suicide because of this person, like that so many negative things and all only filling in the newspaper, right? So आरोप प्रत्यारोप का कुछ ऐसा वातावरण बन गया है कि लगता है देश में कोई ईमानदार आदमी ही नहीं रह गया है. By seeing the blame and also by seeing the see that we can see in the newspaper, he, because of this person he suicide, he killed this person. So everything is happening because of another person, and this blaming, this recrimination, everything because of this atmosphere, we are feeling like that in our country. No one is there like honest people. ईमानदार आदमी ही नहीं रह गया है. ईमानदार means honesty. We can't see even a single person with honesty. Like that we will feel by seeing this news and all. हर व्यक्ति संदेह की दृष्टि से देखा जा रहा है. Everyone, see, we can't find out nowadays. We can't find out that, right? He is a good person, or those who is near to us is a good person or bad person. It's very difficult to find out. You see, nowadays it's like that only. They are keeping mask on them. They are keeping like what we will say. They are not showing their real face, and they are on our back. They are doing all the sin and all. So like that, we have to see, even an honest people, even we can't find out that is honest people or not. Like that it is happening nowadays. So हर व्यक्ति संदेह की दृष्टि से देखा जा रहा है. Every people we are looking as a doubtful person, whether he is good or not, like that we can't find out. So we are thinking संदेह, doubt. We have to look to others with a doubt only. जो जितने ही ऊंचे पद पर हैं उनमें उतने ही अधिक दोष दिखाए जाते हैं. How much they are on the higher position, that much sin they are doing, that much fault they are having. Isn't it? When they will grow on their higher position, the fault also is growing with them. When they are thinking that if we are having that power, means we can do everything, like that not everyone, okay, some people are there, good person, those who are there in the right position, and they are giving good for the people also. But some are there, those who are thinking that if power is in our hand, means we can do everything, like that they are thinking. So जो जितने ही ऊंचे पद पर हैं उनमें उतने ही अधिक दोष दिखाए जाते हैं. हाउ मच दे हैव higher position they reached, even we can see that they are having so many fault. एक बहुत बड़े आदमी ने मुझसे एक बार कहा था कि इस समय सुखी वही है जो कुछ नहीं करता. One great person said to me, the writer is telling that one great person said to me that इस समय सुखी वही है जो कुछ नहीं करता. सुखी means happy. Nowadays those who are happy means those who are not doing anything only is happy. Those who are not in the higher position, those who are not doing any help for anyone, they are only happy. Like that one great person said to this poet, they are telling. So we have to, जो कुछ भी करेगा उसमें लोग दोष खोजने लगेंगे. Whoever is doing anything, see, those who are doing good nowadays they are not getting good name and all, right? इन द राइट. सो दोस हु आर डूइंग वॉट एवर दे आर डूइंग, जो कुछ भी करेगा उसमें लोग दोष खोजने लगेंगे. इन दैट they want to show they want to find out the fault in that, what fault he is having, why he is doing good and all, why he is not doing fault. We can find out the fault and we can make him to make him, we can show to the higher position to destroy him. Like that, there are some people are there, some cheating people are there, still there, they are doing like they don't want, they won't grow and they won't allow others also to grow. Like that only उसके सारे गुण फुला दिए जाएंगे और दोषों को बढ़ा चढ़ाकर दिखाए जाने लगे. वॉट एवर द गुड थिंग्स वी आर डूइंग, they will forget that good things everything, and they only little small thing, small fault will be there, they will increase that one and they will show that one, they will show that small fault will be there, that small fault they will raise up and show to others. They will forget whatever the good things, whatever they are doing, they will forget that one. Like that only here nowadays it is happening. दोष किसमें नहीं होते. We are human beings, right? We are not God and all. We are human beings. We have a positive and we have negative things also, because our mind is like that only. That won't be still in one thing. Like God is there means Satan also is there. Like that, it also will work. We have to believe in God. Then we will go for the right way only. We have to believe always in God. But we are human beings. Sometimes we will do some fault and all, but we will if we find out that it is fault, means we will forgive, we will pray to God to forgive us, right? Then isn't it? यही कारण है कि हर आदमी दोषी अधिक दिख रहा है, गुणी कम या बिल्कुल ही नहीं. दिस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली what happening, everyone are, see, one person is, maybe 1% or 2% only will be doing, or in between out of 100 people only 75 people will do the sin, means that 25 also will get the fault. They are telling that these all are doing, like you can see in your classroom, like only 1 or 2 people will be very naughty, isn't it? 1 or 2 people will be very naughty and the teacher will say this class is very waste. So because of 2% the whole class will be worst. Like that only here also happening. 1 or 2%, because of that the whole country is waste. Like that they will think. So स्थिति अगर ऐसी है तो निश्चय ही चिंता का विषय है. If it is going like this, means it is a very we have to think about that. We have to change this. Like that we have to think. क्या यही भारतवर्ष है जिसका सपना तिलक और गांधी ने देखा था? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर और मदन मोहन मालवीय का महान संस्कृति सभ्य भारतवर्ष किस अतीत के गहरे में डूब गया? क्या यही भारतवर्ष है जिसका सपना तिलक और गांधी ने देखा था? दिस इज द इंडिया विच द तिलक, बाल गंगाधर तिलक एंड ऑल्सो महात्मा गांधी हैज सीन. For why they gave independence for us? We have to be independent. We have to do everything in the right path. For that only they have given us independence. But this India is like that nowadays? No. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर और मदन मोहन मालवीय का महान संस्कृति सभ्य भारतवर्ष की सदीद के गहरे में डूबे गए. See that cultured Rabindranath Tagore and Madan Mohan Malaviya ne have shown so many culture things in this. They have think about the cultured India, but this cultured India has deeply drawn, right? आर्य और द्राविड, हिंदू और मुसलमान, यूरोपीय और भारतीय आदर्शों की मिलन भूमि, मानव महासमुद्र क्या सूखी गया. सी आर्य और द्राविड even no problem, हिंदू और मुसलमान even no problem, यूरोप और भारतीय even no problem, but they all, what happened, they everything became dry, everything nowadays, because of you are Muslim, you are Hindu, so we should not, we won't talk to you, we won't, like that we are, you are Indian, we are American, like that they will think. So that separation is there nowadays, right? मेरा मन कहता है ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. Then poet is telling and writer is telling that I am thinking that it won't happen like that. हमारे महान मनीषियों के सपनों का भारत है और रहेगा. This is the dream. This is the dream of our great mystics who and all have dreamed that India should be like this. Because of that India only, this one it won't change. Like that this the author is telling. यह सही है कि इन दिनों कुछ ऐसा माहौल बना है कि ईमानदारी से मेहनत करके जीविका चलाने वाले निरीह और भोले फाले श्रमजीवी पिस रहे हैं और छूट तथा फरेब का रोजगार करने वाले फल फूल रहे हैं. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? इट इज ट्रू दैट इन दिनों कुछ ऐसा माहौल बना है. nowadays दिस इज द एटमॉस्फेयर. व्हाट इज द एटमॉस्फेयर? माहौल मीन्स एटमॉस्फेयर. कि ईमानदारी से मेहनत करके दोस हु आर डूइंग द हार्ड वर्क इन हॉनेस्टी दे आर गेटिंग वन. चलने वाले निरीह और फौले फाले श्रमजीवी. निरीह मीन्स इनसेंट. श्रमजीवी वेज अर्नर डेली अर्नर दोस हु आर डूइंग ऑनेस्टली पिस रहे हैं. दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट द वेजेस एंड ऑल. बट और छूट तथा फारेब का रोजगार करने वाले फल फूल रहे हैं. दोस हु आर डूइंग फॉल्ट, दोस हु आर डूइंग लाइक lie, using lie and cheating, those who are employing, they are what? They are growing. सो ईमानदारी को मूर्खता का पर्याय समझा जाने लगा है. सच्चाई केवल फीरू और बेबस लोगों के हिस्से पड़ी है. ईमानदारी, honesty, they are telling that it is like stupidity. We should not be the truth that lie people and all they used to say. If we are doing like honestly means we won't get success. But we have to afraid of our God, right? We should go because God is watching everything. Like that we should think and we have to work. If we are hard working honestly, really it will get success. It will get little late, but it will get success. But that without dishonest we are doing anything, with dishonestly we are doing any work means maybe we will get the success fastly, but it won't last. It will destroy very soon. So we have to do everything honestly. So ईमानदारी को मूर्खता का पर्याय समझ जाने लगा है. ईमानदारी, the honesty, they are telling that it is stupidity. मूर्खता, it is the synonym of stupidity. They are telling like that. सच्चाई केवल फीरू और बेबस लोगों के हिस्से पड़ी है. Those who are doing truthfulness, they are shy people and helpless people only will follow the truthfulness. They are telling like that. ऐसी स्थिति में जीवन के महान मूल्यों के बारे में लोगों की आस्था की हिलने लगी है. दैट इन दैट सिचुएशन व्हेन दे आर फाइंडिंग दैट दिस stupid honesty is not working, what happened? That faith and all will shake, isn't it? They will think maybe because of dishonesty only they will become like that. They will think, they will forget the values of life and they will go to the dishonest way. But we should not go like that, right, my dear kids? We should do honestly only. Whatever we are doing honestly, we will get success very shortly. But shortly only we will get. We should wait. We should patiently wait for that, right? Yeah. Then भारतवर्ष ने कभी भी भौतिक वस्तुओं के संग्रह को बहुत अधिक महत्व नहीं दिया है. उसकी दृष्टि से मनुष्य के भीतर जो महान आंतरिक गुण स्थिर भाव से बैठा हुआ है वही चरम और परम है. इंडिया it is not giving important for the physical outside things and all. Why it is like physical objects and all, it won't it won't give important for that. It is giving important for what? उसकी दृष्टि से मनुष्य के भीतर जो महान आंतरिक गुण स्थिर भाव से बैठा हुआ है. It is telling that India is believing in the internal feeling, internal qualities of the man, internal qualities of the human beings, which is fixed in their mind, that is only extreme and ultimate. India is not believing in the physical objects and it is only following the internal qualities of the people. It is believing in the internal qualities of the people, which is fixed. India is believing that it is only extreme and ultimate. चरम और परम मीन्स एक्सट्रीम एंड अल्टीमेट. लोभ, मोह, काम, क्रोध आदि विचार मनुष्य में स्वाभाविक रूप से विद्यमान रहते हैं. वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स, राइट? वी आर हैविंग लोभ, ग्रीडनेस इज देयर, फैसिनेशन इज देयर, एंग्री इज देयर, बिकॉज वी आर इट इज ऑलरेडी वी आर हैविंग. It is existing in our character even. पर उन्हें प्रधान शक्ति मान लेना और अपने मन तथा बुद्धि को उन्हीं के इशारे पर छोड़ देना बहुत बुरा आचरण है. We are already having, God has given us greediness, fascination, angry, everything is there, love towards others, everything is there, but we should not, we have to control ourselves. It is in our mind only, na. It is not other mind, and we can control it. We should not go towards its gestures. उन्हीं के इशारे पर, towards their gesture, that low greediness, in that gestures and all, we should not go. We have to think using our intelligence, and we should go, we should not go towards that bad manners and all, right? We should keep in control, that everything we should keep in our control. भारतवर्ष ने कभी भी उन्हें उचित नहीं माना, उन्हें सदा संयम के बंधन से बांध कर रखने का प्रयत्न किया. India will not suit for this greediness, fascination and all. Only we should control everything. It is telling that you should control everything, like that they are telling. परंतु भूख की उपेक्षा नहीं की जा सकती. We can't ignore our hunger, right? We should not ignore our hunger. बीमार के लिए दवा की उपेक्षा नहीं की जा सकती. We can't ignore our medicine. For if we want medicine when we are sick, we should not ignore the medicines, right? गुमराह को ठीक रास्ते पर ले जाने के उपायों की उपेक्षा नहीं की जाती. We should not गुमराह को ठीक रास्ते पर ले जाने के उपायों की, everything, whatever it is, we should not, in whatever the need we are having, we should not ignore, right? Because of if we have to go towards honestly, and we should accept everything. We should not go dishonest and all. हुआ यह है कि इस देश की कोटि कोटि दरिद्रजनों की हीन अवस्था को दूर करने के लिए ऐसे अनेक कायदे कानून बनाए गए हैं जो कृषि, उद्योग, वाणिज्य, शिक्षा और स्वास्थ्य की स्थिति को अधिक उन्नत और सुचारू बनने के लक्ष्य से प्रेरित हैं. मीन्स इस देश के कोटि कोटि millions of poor people are there. By seeing their inferior conditions, for that we have to avoid that. And so many rules and regulations are there in our country. In our country, so many rules and regulations are there for protecting the poor people. Those who are working in krishi, agriculture, udyog, industry, vanijya, commercially, then shiksha, education, then swasthya, health. In that every department, those who are working for their advanced and also smooth, for their achieving their lakshya, achieving their aim. There are so many rules and regulations are there in our country. परंतु जिन लोगों को इन कार्यों में लगना है उनका मन सब समय पवित्र नहीं हो. Those who see we are keeping some persons and all for that positions and all, isn't it? For helping these farmers, for helping these industrial people, for commercial people, for educational people and all, for them and all, so many position people we are selecting and we are electing and we are keeping, right, through election and all. But those who are there in that position, they won't be pure every time. When they, first I told now, those who are there in the higher position, they won't be good always. Not all, okay ma, not all. Some people only like that, not all. प्रायः वे ही लक्ष्य को भूल जाते हैं. They will forget the aim. What is their aim? They want to help the poor people, those who needy people, those who are needy. They will forget what the need is. What is their aim? अपनी ही सुख सुविधा को और ज़्यादा ध्यान देने लगते हैं. What they are doing, what they need, what that people those who are sitting in that position, they will think about themselves. Selfish people are also there. They will think about their luxuries, sukh suvidha. They will think about their own luxuries and they will not listen to the poor people and all. भारतवर्ष सदा कानून को धर्म के रूप में देखता आ रहा है. India is always seeing this rules and regulations as what? Like faith and righteousness. आज एकाएक कानून और धर्म में अंदर कर दिया गया. But now it is different. This everything is different. Became this कानून and dharma. This faithfulness and also the rules and regulations are different nowadays. धर्म को धोखा नहीं दिया सकता. We can't cheat our faith, isn't it? We can't cheat our faith. कानून को दिया सकता है. We can cheat our rules and regulations. Is it? No, we can't cheat, but we should not cheat because everything God is watching. But कानून, that position people only doing the cheatness in these rules and regulations and all. यही कारण है कि जो लोग धर्म फिरू हैं वे कानून की त्रुटियों से लाभ उड़ाने में संकोच नहीं करता. Those who are very shy in for this faith and all, those who are not believing in everything, they will what? They will do so many errors in this rules and regulations. Also, they won't hesitate to do anything to get whatever they want, to get profit in this while sitting on the higher position. The profit what they are getting, that only they are thinking. See, some people and all, they will get money for this is from the poor people and all to give something, right? They should not do that and all. Like they will get they will say to them, you bring this much money, then only I will do your work and give. Like that, so many cheating people are there. But that is very very bad. That we should not do. इस बात के पर्याप्त प्रमाण खोजे जा सकते हैं कि समाज के ऊपरी वर्ग में चाहे जो भी होता रहा हो, फीतर भारतवर्ष अब भी यह अनुभव कर रहा है कि धर्म कानून से बड़ी चीज़ है. अब भी सेवा, ईमानदारी, सच्चाई और आध्यात्मिकता के मूल्य बने हुए हैं. Now also it is there. So many people are there. Those who are there in the right position and they are doing the good things for the needy people. Also, this faith is in the higher position than the rules and regulations of our country. अब भी सेवा, ईमानदारी, सच्चाई और आध्यात्मिकता का मूल्य बने हुए हैं. Now also service, their honesty, their truthfulness, spirituality, everything value is also now also there. वे दब अवश्य गए हैं लेकिन नष्ट नहीं हुए हैं. It was given away. Somebody have taken that from us, but it won't destroy. It is there still. आज भी वह मनुष्य से प्रेम करता है, महिलाओं का सम्मान कर, that truthfulness, that everything. Now also they are loving the people, they are giving respect for the महिलाओं ladies. झूठ और चोरी को गलत समझा है, lie and all, they are thinking that it is wrong. दूसरे को पीड़ा पहुंचाने को पाप समझा है. Those who are harming others, that is a sin. Like that they are thinking. Those who are giving pain for others, that is a sin. Like that also they are thinking. हर आदमी अपने व्यक्तिगत जीवन में इस बात का अनुभव करता है. Each and every people are getting experience for this and all. Those who are giving, like those who are doing, though we have to respect others, we have to respect the ladies, we should not give pain for others, we should not say lie, we should not do anything harm for others. We should whatever, see, if we are in the right position, even why people have elected us in the right position, because they need us, they only need, because of them only we are here. Like that we should think, and we have to see the needs of them, and we have to do everything for them. Like that. Okay ma, that's all for that's enough for today. Okay, 2 or 3 more pages is there that we will continue in the next class. Okay ma, read this lesson. Any doubt is there, today evening you should come and ask me. Okay ma, this is little tough only, little tough. I don't want to skip that lesson, so that only I have taken. Okay, we will finish it very fast, and we will write the notes and learn. Okay, reading only very important. Okay, that's all for today. Dhanyavad, my bachon.